रणवीर, स्कूटी अकेले चलाना पसंद है या किसी लड़की के साथ, और अगर आपने चलाई है पहले तो किस किस को पीछे बिठा के चलाया है?
मैंने एक्चुअली रॉकस्टार में चलाई थी एक बाइक. आई थिंक दैट्स द ओनली फिल्म वेयर आई हैव रिडन अ बाइक. बट आई थिंक अभी तक वो कॉन्फिडेंस नहीं आया है कि मैं किसी को डबल सीट लेके जाऊँ. आई एम स्टिल लर्निंग. वो और एक बैलेंस भी एक आर्ट होता है कि हाउ डू यू बैलेंस समबडी सिटिंग पिलियन. सो आई प्रेफर राइडिंग अलोन.
रणवीर हाय. एक फिल्म आई थी जिंदगी ना मिलेगी दोबारा. वहाँ पे कटरीना कैफ ने बाइक चलाया था. आपने कहा कि लड़कियाँ बाइक चलाती है तो अच्छा लगता है. तो शी रोड अ बुलेट इफ आई एम नॉट रॉन्ग. तो कभी आप कटरीना के पीछे बाइक पे बैठना चाहोगे?
ऑफ कोर्स, कौन कटरीना के पीछे बाइक पे नहीं बैठना चाहेगा. बट लाइक आई सेड, इट्स वेरी हार्ड टू टेक समबडी डबल सीट. बहुत कंट्रोल होता है एंड बैलेंस होता है. अभी तक फिलहाल मैंने आई हैव नॉट टेकन एनीबॉडी डबल सीट, और आई हैव रिडन अ मोटर बाइक व्हिच इज एज हेवी एज द बाइक शी रोड. बट जब आई गेस प्रैक्टिस अच्छी होगी तो देन आई विल प्रोबब्ली आस्क her.
रणवीर, पहला राइडिंग हमेशा याद रहता है. कौन से एज में आपने पहला बाइक राइडिंग करना हमेशा यादगार होते हैं. आपने कौन से टाइम में फर्स्ट राइडिंग किया था?
जैसे मैंने कहा था जी, मैं आई थिंक जब मेरा I think 16 बर्थडे, mom and dad had given me a scooty, लेकिन I wasn't allowed क्योंकि I was underage to ride it. तो जो मेरे घर का जो पार्किंग स्पेस है मैं वहीं चलाता था. रोज स्कूल के बाद आके 2 राउंड मार के I used to feel कि मैं बहुत बड़ा हो गया, मैं आजकल मोटर बाइक चला रहा हूँ. तो I think that was my first memory of riding a bike. And then I guess जब मैंने रॉकस्टार में चलाई थी.
Ranveer, hi. The female version of I don't the Hero Pleasure bike is the brand has signed up Alia Bhatt for this the female version for this bike. So in future, do we see you maybe doing an ad with her, because she categorically says on camera that she loves you a lot?
Wow, I would love to do a movie with Alia, not just an ad film. She's extremely talented. I've loved her work in all of the movies that I've seen of hers. I wasn't aware that she was signed as this. She was okay. Congratulations. But yeah, I would love to do a whole film.
Okay, and talking about love, I think this question really doesn't leave you anywhere.
No, it doesn't.
Any press conference. So we've asked you this umpteen time. Maybe I'll just ask you directly. There have been reports that you and Katrina have shifted together and are living in. How true are those reports?
Like I said a couple of days back, also you guys were there at the Lekar on Divana. I don't know how many of you all were there. That the house I live with my parents. We're going into redevelopment. So when you go into redevelopment, the people staying in the house, they have to move out. So that house can get redeveloped. Who I'm moving in with, who I'm staying with, who I'm not staying with is I would like to keep that personal, because I'm unmarried. The day I get married, I will openly speak about it. I've always maintained that. But eventually, yes, there were so many stories, so many conjectures that I'm leaving my parents, and my father has said this, get out of the house. So I feel really bad, my life has become like a reality show, and my parents are old now. I don't want them to read such stuff about them because it's embarrassing for them and all of that. But yes, we have to move out of the house because we're going to redevelop.
रणवीर, हमेशा आप अपने रिलेशनशिप को लेकर बहुत क्लियर रहे हैं, लेकिन जब भी कटरीना की बात होती है आप थोड़ा सा यहाँ वहाँ बातें करते हैं. बट रियलिटी बहुत सारे बॉलीवुड स्टार्स हैं जो नए हैं लेकिन वो एक्सेप्ट करते हैं, जैसे सोहाली खान हो गई, कई लोग हैं. तो बेबो हो गई. बेबो ने तो पहले स्टार्टिंग में ही कबूल करे. तो क्या रीज़न है कि आप सबको पता है फिर भी आप नहीं बोलना चाहते, इस पे चुप्पी साधे हुए हैं?
मोहतरमा जी, मुझे पता नहीं सबको क्या पता है और क्या या आप एक सेकंड, उनका क्वेश्चन है ना, आप प्लीज़ वेट कीजिए. तो मुझे पता नहीं सबको क्या पता है. बट लाइक आई सेड, सबकी लाइफ उनकी लाइफ होती है. बहुत कुछ लिखा जाता है आपके बारे में. पहले जब आई शू स्पीक अबाउट माई रिलेशनशिप, दैट बिकेम द टॉकिंग पॉइंट ऑफ माई लाइफ. मैं एक्टर हूँ. आई एम स्टार्टिंग माई करियर. अभी 7 साल हो गए. So I would really like, when I come to press conferences like that, you all ask me about Bombay Velvet, you ask me about am I over the Besharam failure. But जब ऐसे questions बार आते, then you feel कि यार this has become your life. People are only interested to know about that. So like I said, all I have to do is I guess work harder. कि आप और आपके सामने जो मैडम बैठी है, वो आप मुझे मेरे फिल्मों के बारे में बात करें. आई थिंक दैट्स मोर इम्पोर्टेंट दैन माई पर्सनल लाइफ. नहीं मैम, पोस्टर आउट नहीं हुआ. एक्चुअली दैट्स अ फैन मेड पोस्टर किसी ने बनाया है. जगह जासूस अगले साल आई थिंक मई एंड को रिलीज़ होगी. सो ना हमने पोस्टर रिलीज़ किया है ना कुछ अनाउंस किया है। जो अगली फिल्म मेरी है वो बॉम्बे वेलवेट है, उसका पोस्टर अभी बहुत जल्दी आना है। मेरा मानना ये है, मैं ये नहीं कहता कि मैं सही हूँ और दूसरे लोग गलत हैं। आई हैड अ PR पर्सन एट वन पॉइंट और मुझे कुछ ठीक लगा नहीं, क्योंकि क्या होता है कि आप एक एक्टर हो, अगर आप खुद के बारे में न्यूज़ डालोगे, दूसरों एक्टर्स के बारे में न्यूज़ डालोगे, उनको नीचे करोगे, अपने आप को ऊपर करोगे, एक गेम सा बन जाता है। आई थिंक एक इंसान की पहचान उनके काम से होती है। अगर आप अच्छा काम करोगे, लोग आपके बारे में बात करेंगे। वैसे भी आप सब लोग इतना लिखते हो मेरे पर्सनल लाइफ के बारे में, तो उस वजह से नौबत नहीं आई है टू हैव a PR person to keep me in the news. So yes, I just believe that. I think it's important that your work speaks more than your PR person.
Ranbir, Ranbir, over here.
Hi.
Since you're a heartthrob and a public figure as well, so whenever it comes to endorsing a product, going for some social cause, what are the reasons you just look up for to endorse that product? Like,
Sorry, I didn't hear your question.
when you just go for endorsing a product, what are the reasons you just look up to endorse that product?
Well, I think एक आइडेंटिफिकेशन, अगर आप खुद बिलीव नहीं करते इन द प्रोडक्ट यू एंडोर्स, हाउ विल यू सेल इट? इट्स द सेम थिंग कि एज एन एक्टर आप स्क्रिप्ट कैसे सिलेक्ट करते हो। अगर आपको कैरेक्टर पसंद आता है, अगर आपको लगता है कि इस फिल्म में कुछ बात है जो आप अपने ज़रिए कुछ कह सकते हो, then you jump on it. So that's been clear. All the products I endorse, I believe in them, I use them myself. That's as simple as that. To be honest, there was a time that my parents didn't allow me to ride a bike because they thought it was too dangerous. But now, because I'm 31 years old, I can make my decisions. No, it's not actually, because I wear a helmet. So, and I love getting recognized. I love if somebody takes my picture. But I do take it out every night, and now the weather's not too good. It's a little bit too humid. But whenever I get a chance, I remember in Goa when we used to go with all our friends, for New Year celebration. It was great to hire a bike, a scooter, and just ride along. So yeah, these are the times that you really enjoy riding scooters.
Ranbir, after
No, I'm not. I have no intention. Yeah, no. What is the best part? I think they push the barrier where design is concerned, innovation is concerned. They make products which are user friendly. They make products. Hero has been, I think, a brand which is one of the pillar brands of India. Since the time they started. Now they've gone worldwide. I think Pawan sir has really pushed the boundaries of the brand. So I think it's something that I'm really proud to be associated with. I'm really grateful towards the fact that they chose me as the brand ambassador, and I'm happy that all you guys are here for the support of the Hero Maestro.
Ranbir, as you mentioned about, have you gotten over the Besharam failure?
Thank you.
What I was thinking was, because of that, are you really more under pressure because Bombay Velvet is coming around? Because you've seen success for the past 2-3 films actually before Besharam, and you got a tremendous response from your fans. But because of Besharam, does that put you under a lot of pressure?
Actually, it's the opposite way. I feel that when you're very successful, then there is the pressure on your next film. I remember when Savarya was such a big disaster, my first film, then the pressure was easy on me. They didn't have any expectations to become the underdog. Like I said, Besharam was a failure which I completely own. Is somebody which I have to accept. It was my fault. Fault as in I believed in it, but I guess didn't turn out too good. I worked hard on a film called Bombay Velvet, which is directed by Anurag Kashyap, should release on 28th of November. So hopefully, my intentions were good, the director's intentions were good. We made a good engaging film. We're not making a film for ourselves. We want to make films for the public, for the fans. So hopefully that'll be a better experience.
रणबीर, यहाँ बॉबी में ऋषि कपूर को अपना हीरोइन को बाइक को भगा के दिखे।
हाँ जी सर।
बॉबी में ऋषि कपूर को अपना क्लाइमेक्स में हीरोइन को
जी
बाइक पे भगा
बॉबी बाइक पे।
हाँ, तो इस बाइक पे आप किसको भगाना चाहोगे और किस फिल्म में?
मुझे पता नहीं है बाइक कितनी भागती है और कितने फास्ट भागना पड़ेगा, बट अभी तक सर वो नौबत नहीं आई है, सो आई हैवंट गिवन अ थॉट. The hero of my life, I would say, I guess every boy's hero is their father. They look up to him, not only because my father is a hero on screen, but because of certain values and certain things that you want to be like him, you want to dress like him. कपड़े तो नहीं पहन सकता because of our size differences. एक ज़माना था where I used to fit into his shoes. Now my shoe size is also bigger than his. So I guess every son's hero is their father. And Messi, Lionel Messi, football player. रियल लाइफ में आई थिंक हम सब जासूसी करते हैं. आप अभी जासूसी तो कर रहे हो, अगर आप पूछताछ कर रहे हो तो जैसे आप पूछते हो तो मैं भी अगर किसी से मिलता हूँ तो अगर मैं एक प्रश्न पूछता हूँ तो जासूसी हो जाती है.
Ranbir,
हाँ जी, हाँ जी। पीठ के पीछे, हाँ, मैं तो पूछते रहता हूँ कि मिस्टर शाहरुख खान ने कौन सी फिल्म साइन की है, मिस्टर सलमान खान कौन सी फिल्म कर रहे हैं, मिस्टर आमिर खान क्या कर रहे हैं, ऋतिक रोशन क्या कर रहा है। सो यू कीप आस्किंग, यू इंटरेस्टेड कि हमारे फिल्म इंडस्ट्री में लोग क्या क्या कर रहे हैं, तो मैं बहुत पूछता हूँ।
Ranbir, one question posed to you a couple of days ago at the football match was, and Imtiaz sort of gave an answer on that. But Preeti's case has picked up pace in the media and created a lot of stir. As an industry insider, what would you like to say about it?
I think I have not been following the case too closely myself. What's been happening in the media, but I think Preeti is a very strong, independent woman. She's really a nice girl. I have interacted a lot with her. I have met Ness a couple of times. I really don't know what happened between them, so I think it's very unfair for me to comment on it. But I think it's very clear that no woman should be touched if she doesn't want to be touched. I think that is the basic rule that every man has to follow. And I think if somebody has misbehaved with her, and if it's proven in the court of law, I'm sure that person will be punished. I'm not a judge here that I will say he's wrong or she's right or all of that sort. But I just hope that it gets sorted out, and them and their families have some peace of mind.
Right, one more question. Ranbir, we hear that you're doing Imtiaz's next film with Deepika. Any updates on that?
Yes, I leave in another 12 days to a lovely place called Corsica. It's, I think, south of France. We're shooting there for 30 days. It's my second film with Imtiaz, my third film with Deepika. So really, really, really looking forward to it. It's a love story, and it should come out sometime next year.
All right, thank you.
Yeah. I think अभी तो थोड़ा late हो गया since I've already shot the film. But I think Vidya Balan is such an amazing talent. Whatever film she picks with so much of thought, and she puts her heart out, into the project. So I'm looking forward to, as a fan, to watch the film. Nothing to do with my film. I think Jaga Jasoos is a very different genre of film, and I'm sure Bobby Jasoos is going to be a great film itself. So ऐसे कोई tips नहीं है. I would like to see it as a fan.
Ranbir here.
Thank you guys. Thank you.